Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about fragrance, specifically Jo Malone. I love Jo Malone fragrances. About 10 years ago, a friend gave me a gift set from Jo Malone and it had 6 different miniature perfumes or fragrances in it, and with instructions on how you could combine them to create new fragrances. And it was really fun, and I just fell in love with some of the individual fragrances, specifically the pomegranate noir and the grapefruit. And ever since then I've been buying those and wearing them. I'm not combining them, but definitely is fun the way that you can combine the fragrances. But recently when I went to get another pomegranate noir and grapefruit at Bloomingdale's, they gave me some samples, and I absolutely loved the sample fragrance so much that I bought it. So I recently ordered 2 fragrances from Jo Malone, and I am going to just share what those are. So this first one is the English Pear and Freesia. That's the sample that I got when I bought my fragrance, and I loved it. They actually gave me 2 little samples, and I used them so quickly that I just had to have this. It's just such a lovely scent, so definitely strongly recommend it. And then I got a refill, or not a refill, but another of the pomegranate noir. I love pomegranate noir. I have the body cream as well, so what I usually do is I'll layer the fragrances. I'll put the body cream on and then I'll spray myself with this, and it's almost like intoxicating how good it is. And I always have people asking, oh my god, what are you wearing? People really love it, and I just think it's such a nice scent. For most of my life I've actually used Chanel No. 5, but maybe about a decade ago, I just wanted to mix it up a little bit and just try some new fragrances. And yeah, I just stumbled on Jo Malone when my friend gave me that gift set, and I've been devoted to Jo Malone ever since. And in fact, I ordered the Jo Malone advent calendar, so that will be coming soon, and I will share everything that I get in that. I'm gonna wait and open the drawers one at a time during Advent, but I will definitely share everything that I get. So these are the 2 perfume or fragrances, and then they also sent a bunch of samples when I got these, and I'll just quickly show what I got. There's a Gucci mascara, which is nice. You can never have too many mascaras. There was a sample Daisy by Marc Jacobs fragrance. There was Lancome Renergy Lift Multi-Action Ultra. So that's for dark circles, which I definitely need that. It's eye cream. And then more samples. I ordered these from Bloomingdale's, so I think that's why I got so many samples from different brands. This is, another of the eye cream. Sorry, it was off camera. Another eye cream. And let's see what else. This is Issey Miyake L'Eau d'Issey pour Homme, so men's cologne. Let's see. Dolce & Gabbana light blue eau de toilette. Looks nice. A Versace Eros perfume spray, and look how pretty inside. And finally, Tory Burch. What is this? Oh, I guess it's just Tory Burch. That's the fragrance. So I'm excited to try those. I actually have a basket with all my little sample fragrances in it, and when they're all in the basket together, I pass by the basket, it smells so nice. I love that. It reminds me of the perfume counter at the department store, which has been intriguing me since I was a little girl. So anyway, that was it for luxury fragrance. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon.